lovely people. Welcome back to Live.Life.Lovely. Today I am sharing my living room, dining room, and family room. So this is my coffee table in my living room. I put some garland on a plate that I got from Goodwill, and then added these two small Christmas trees that I purchased from Target last year, and this beautiful candle in the middle of this vase. It's really pretty. I added some ornaments to the back of it, and I was just so proud of myself of creating this little greenery centerpiece with the two candles on the side. Very lovely. I also adorned my couches with pillows. This is a two-sided pillow. One side has snowflakes on it, the other side has snowmen, and then I like you saw in my other video, I put this big 9-foot tree. It's so pretty. It has all kinds of gold wrapped with a little brown, wrapped with a little silver. I call it my silver and gold tree. And then on the bottom I have this throw rug as the tree skirt to bring out the colors. Next I have this wreath with this Dollar Tree bell, and in between the two wreaths is my painting that I covered with some coordinating wrap, and that's the other tree gift wrap. And then this is my end table. I have two end tables like this, silver and gold, and at this one is a beaded chair for anyone who wants to sit here and just look at the Christmas tree. And again, the theme is silver and gold, so a lot of these are things I've already had on the table and some things from the Dollar Tree. This is my favorite pillow of all times. You can't really see it in the video, but it's nice and glittery and shiny. And then behind it is our regular plant in the room with ribbon on it. And then next, I want you to just take a look at this side of the living room once again and how everything coordinates. Next I want to show you my moving reindeer. It really is supposed to be outside, but I like it in the inside better, so I kept it in here. And then next to it is my beautiful family memory shelf. And then on this shelf is all of the pictures with Santa that the kids have taken over the years. I still have to do my picture with Santa this year, so I can't wait to do that. And this shelf has a lot of love on it. On the other side of the living room is my entryway area, and I have the garland here. I made a video about making that garland earlier. If you want to check that video out, I'll put it below. And this, so when people walk in, this is what they see. They can take a seat, take their shoes off in these nice chairs with love and peace on them. And then I also got that shiny glittery wreath from the Goodwill. That was a nice Goodwill find. Next is my kitchen and the candy cane tree that I highlighted in a previous video that I can also put below. So lots of candy canes there, coordinated with red and white decor on the island. In this beautiful ornament vase are some mints, and I have another vase next to it. This vase has ornaments from the past, so this is a great way to repurpose your ornaments. And I just tied a little piece of ribbon at the bottom for a very dramatic effect. And then lastly, this is my cute little cookie jar with gingerbread cookies in it. What's a Christmas without gingerbread cookies? But I love this little jar. This jar was also a Goodwill find, and I was so proud of that. So here is the complete look of my island. And then next is my table. This is my Santa themed table, complete with Santa chair covers, a Santa salt and pepper shaker, and these are snowman napkin holders. I have to get some napkins to go in those holders, but I love these plates. I got them years ago, the Christmas tree plate and also the Santa plate here. So this will be great for a Christmas breakfast with orange juice in the cups. So excited about breakfast at Christmas time. And then this poinsettia came from the thrift as well. All right, this is my mistletoe in the hallway, and then my area that I have my candy. I call it my holiday drink and candy station. I have my Keurig here with the word joy and some candy here and the nutcracker here, and it's very simple this year. It's usually a lot on a big table, but I kept it simple this year, so it could be a quick thing for the family to get something to drink or grab a lollipop or just enjoy a glass of wine. And then I just wanted to quickly show you my beautiful cabinets with all of the bows on the front, and I simply just tape those on and put some garland at the top, and that's all you really needed in your kitchen. It doesn't need to be a lot, just something very simple. Next we have my family room. The family room has a little outdoorsy area, so it's not lit up, but this area is usually lit up when guests come, and then that area is right next to our traditional Christmas tree, and right behind the Christmas tree is a little book nook area for anyone who wants to read a Christmas story. I got this Santa sleigh from the Dollar Tree as well, and then this was a find at CVS last year. I got these two Charlie Brown ornaments from CVS last year, and so those were a good find, and I also put some foliage in that. And then these African American Santa and Mrs. Santas, these were a gift a long time ago, and I love them. I'm never going to give them away. And then this is my fireplace set up at the bottom, where I just put some boxes and foliage and a sign, and then I have this Believe sign right here, right under all of the stockings for all of my children and my nieces and nephews. And then the top of the fireplace, I have the word joy here in this tree. I think I got both of these from the Big Lots last year, and I put some garlands, some words for Christmas, peace, Santa, ho ho ho, some more nutcrackers, and some stocking holders, some poinsettias. So very traditional in the family room. The family loves to joy to the world. I love that. But the family loves to sit in here and just look at everything. It's so much to look at. Anything that moves, all my plush toys are in here. So this is the view from the love seat, and this is the Santa's workshop chair, which sits right adjacent to the tree, so you can sit in this chair and also enjoy the Christmas tree as well. And then this is an old ugly Christmas sweater from my husband from a couple of parties ago that I repurposed and just put on a pillow. So if you have an old sweater, you could just throw it on a pillow. It's a great pillow cover. And then this is our main couch, and it has a reindeer theme, and I did have a reindeer plush toy on here. I don't know what happened to it, but here is the view from one angle of the room, so you can see very traditional, cozy, just like I like it for my family. Everybody loves this room. The kids come here after school and just sit here for hours on their phones, decompressing from school, eating Christmas cookies and drinking milk. And here's another angle. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell. Until next time, bye.